Good morning, my third graders. So as you can tell by our class syllabus, we are going to begin our very first class science project this week. It will be taking us a week to gather up information individually and then as a class. So today I will be going over the project to prepare you all on what the project is and what is expected. Our project is ready to be viewed in our class site, Miss Seha, third grade. So we're going to go to site and here it is. So we are going to click on there and it will take us directly to our home page where you will see a picture of your teacher, Miss Seha, um, which will read, "Welcome to my classroom. My name is Miss Seha and we are going to have a great year while learning." Now at the top left corner, under announcements, you will be able to find um, any syllabus updates, if any. As you can see, this week we only have the update on our science project, and the great thing about it is that you can add comments or any questions that you might have in regards to the information provided. On the other hand, if you click on the assignment description, which is here, you will be able to find the details to the week's project. You will click on the link and it will take you directly to the project description, which is for this week. We will be researching on a science and reaction. You will each get to choose any three liquids of your choice and see what reaction will the eggshells have as they are placed in different liquids. This science project will show us how different liquids or drinks affect our teeth. The eggshells will be representing the enamel in our teeth. You will be investigating and documenting the evidence in your classroom notebook every 24 hours for the next 3 days. Then you'll be sharing your information with 3 of your classmates and finally present your project and observations to the classroom. It can either be a presentation using PowerPoint, a video, poster, pictures, etc. What is it that you're going to be doing here? Basically, you're going to be pouring, adding, weighting, and examining what the liquids are going to be doing to the eggshell. Now, if we click at the link below where you read eggshell liquid project instructions, it will give you all of the information for the project. So it's titled the items needed, which are eggshells, plastic cups, spoons, labels. The labels can be either sticker labels, it can be white paper, printing tape, paper, lined paper. It doesn't really matter as long as you label them so we can know what kind of liquid you used. We're going to need a marker, paper towels, notebook, pencil, and you will get to choose 3 different liquids of your choice to test on. Remember, there are many liquids we can use. Now, as for the instructions, it is pretty simple to follow. You would have to label the cups with the name of the liquid you will be placing inside. Number 2, pour the liquid inside the label cups. 3, record the time the eggs were placed inside the liquid. Give us your hypothesis on what will happen to the egg in each liquid. Number 4, place an egg in each cup and log any findings within the 24 hours for the next 3 days. Observe and take notes from beginning to end on what is happening to the eggshell and the reaction it's having in the liquid. What do you see? What is it that you see? What happened to the eggshells? Which liquid is the worst and why? Write down anything that comes to mind. Write any observations in your class notebook. And then after the third day, place some paper towels in front of each sample cup. Take out the eggs with a spoon, one at a time, and observe carefully. What do you see? Did the eggshell change since the last time you checked up on it? Write down anything that comes to mind. Number 8, you may take pictures of your project's outcome if you'd like to share your results, which I totally recommend, especially for your presentation. Um, and well, that's it. Just enjoy your experiment.